So if you back up your folders and files with Terabox often, it's a good idea to enable it on boot so that whenever your computer starts up, Terabox loads up automatically as well. So to do that, you can right click on Terabox floating window, go to settings, and then what you can do is you can go around over here onto foundation, and here you can see that you have an option to enable floating window or show Terabox in my computer right here. But apart from that, this is what we want: automatically start up when turning on the computer. If you were to turn this off, then Terabox won't load up when the computer is booted up. But if you were to go ahead and turn this on, then Terabox will automatically load whenever you boot up your computer, which in turn actually goes ahead and allows you to go ahead and start backup right when the computer starts. You can also go around over here onto settings by going around over here onto your taskbar by right clicking on Terabox right here, and then you can go to settings right here just like this and access the same option from over here as well. So that is how you can go ahead and enable startup on boot inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.